Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. We got another great show here for you today. We're going to be talking about a 9-unit in Kirkland Lake. I mean, 9 units for $540,000. I mean, where could you go wrong? Where else are you going to buy a 9-unit for $540,000? Comment down below if you're buying a cheaper 9-unit in Ontario right now than $540,000. So this is a listing that we have right now. We're just going to run the numbers. We're going to see where we can kind of take this to. Is this a good BRRRR? Is this just a long-term hold? I don't know. We're going to go through it and we're going to see where things stand here. So we're going to do 540,000. We're going to do an 85% mortgage, because I think we'll get CMHC financing on this. Obviously, I know that in smaller communities, CMHC financing really does work very well. So I'm going to use 85% of that value, which gives us a down payment of $81,000. So if you got $81,000 lying around, maybe you can buy this. Land transfer tax $72.75. Of course, we're still in Ontario. There are going to be immediate repairs and renovations, but we're going to do that on the next spreadsheet because I'm going to do a after repair value inspection, $2,500, appraisal, $2,500. I am going to say, obviously, you're going to have financing costs. If you're going to go CMHC, $10,000 and $5,000 in legals. All right, so let's get into the income here. So suite mix is 3 1-bedrooms, 5 2-bedrooms, 1 3-bedroom. Like most of the stick-built stuff, is built in the 1930s. So it's telling us a cap rate of 6.7. The gross monthly rent is what we were looking for here. So no other income from parking or anything like that. Let's run the expenses on this bad boy. So utilities, all in utilities, are $12,077 per year, so just a bit over $1,000 a month. Property taxes, $89.34, which is actually not bad. No condo fees. Insurance, it's about $5,000. So what's that? $425 a month, a little bit less. And you might be able to get cheaper insurance out there. I'm not saying you can't, but we all know insurance prices are going up, so I like to estimate a little bit high, and if I get a couple $100 off or even $1,000 off, it's definitely an advantage. And then I'm in Kirkland Lake. I'm going to assume I'm not getting 5% on property management, so I'm probably something like 8%. 7. Look at that, 7%. We use 7%. Repairs and maintenance, 5%. 4% vacancy. It is a mining town, but mining's hot right now. At that, this gives me a 7.21% cap rate. I get a 13% cash on cash return, 12% on mortgage paydown. Listen, I'm going to assume the appreciation isn't going to be all that great up there, but if I use 2% a year, based on a 15% down payment, that still gives me 36% a year. I mean, do I even need to BRRRR this? For about $110,000, I'm buying a property that gives me a 7 cap with some upside. And I won't be able to BRRRR if I do put a CMHC mortgage on here anyways, because they have a full interest penalty and I would have to take this to a full 5 years before I could pull the money out. But you know what? Let's just go ahead. And by the way, the interest rate on that, CMHC is probably about 1.9%, so you're going to make a better cash on cash return. Just by this, looks pretty appealing. If you're looking for cash flow in Ontario, obviously smaller town, it's mining town, so one industry. But you know, I was up there the other day and it's pretty nice up there. Like, I'm not going to lie. I mean, comment down below. Should I just buy this myself or should I leave this for you guys? Anyways, let's make a copy. Let's just go ahead and see after repair value, Kirkland Lake. All right, so all I'm going to do here is I'm going to switch out. So we got 3 1-bedrooms. What's the highest 1-bedroom rent we're getting right now? $707. Yeah. So I think it's pretty conceivable that I would get, if I renovated these up and I put some laundry in, and I cleaned them up, put the dishwashers in, that $850 would probably be a pretty conservative rent. So I'm going to do $850. And then we have 5 2-bedroom units. And let's look at the 2 bedrooms. We're getting $795 for a top 2-bedroom. So again, clean it up. I don't think I'll have any trouble getting 950. And then we have our 3-bedroom, and let's just call that 1050. There's a possibility to raise this to $83,050, which if I could maintain a 7 cap, and obviously it's going to cost me some money, and I'm going to probably say the units are in decent shape. So let's say $15,000 a unit times 9 is $135,000 for renos. I mean, you can buy this for $540, put an offer in, who knows what it goes to. You can put 135 in, so that gets you to, what's that, 675. Let's call this 700. And then you can refinance, you can BRRRR this property, right? You can get $700,000 out. So you can really BRRRR this property. It's going to take a little bit longer, I believe, but you're going to cash flow pretty well on this property until you do. Yeah, once people leave, which, you know, I think in some place like Kirkland Lake, I mean, let's look at the rent roll. You can see like a lot, the oldest people there are 2014, so 7 years, couple years. You know, I assume that the mining industry would be a little bit more transient, so you might get people moving here and there. But anyways, this seems like a good deal. If you guys are interested, we're going to put the link down below to our website so you can go grab that package. If you're interested, reach out to us. Let us know. I mean, that's some great cash on cash return. I think you can do a CMHC deal on this property. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys investing in smaller regions? Are you still buying in big cities? Comment down below. Catch you guys later.